job's a joke you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Hey there, everybody. It's November, so you know what's right around the corner. Thanksgiving. A time to get together with family, have a large dinner, and stuff your face with delicious food. It's also a time to give thanks for the things you love. Many people don't know the origin of Thanksgiving. Well, we're here to give you a little history on the beginning of Thanksgiving. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. It started with pilgrims living in North America. The pilgrims were new to the land and explored it to discover its mysteries.
I would like to settle down, wide open space.
They planted seeds in order to grow crops, to build a food supply for their new home. They tried to work with the land to build shelter for themselves.
The moon on the crest.
But soon, the cold months came, and they struggled to produce, so they were left in the cold. There the pilgrims were, freezing, in the cold, barely alive, when then came a couple of mysterious strangers to their aid. They were brought to shelter and clothed, and it was there the pilgrims came to find the natives of the land had rescued them.
A little bit further, I will find my rest.
The natives then held a large feast for the starving pilgrims, and they ate every last bite, as the natives watched with curiosity. So the pilgrims were thankful for the natives' hospitality, and the natives were thankful for their new friends, and that is why today we celebrate Thanksgiving.